If you ask any Tesla driver that what they hate most driving Tesla car, I am pretty sure everybody will answer same. They will say the tire, because this tire tears pretty quickly. It is very expensive and very hard to find them. And the problem is not everybody knows how to install them. So today I am going to share my Tesla tire experience. How could I drive more mileage, and how did I get those tires with a good price. I wish I knew that before. Now today I am going to explain that how you could learn from my mistakes. So I have been driving last 18 months. I drove 41,500 miles so far. So my tire is pretty bad. So I'm going to show you how to measure your Tesla tire when you need to change. And here is the thing, is a tire measurement kit. You can buy from Amazon. It's only $9 or $10 cost. I will link in my description box, so you will have it, and you need this. So it's pretty simple. When you order, it comes 2 in one package, so you will have it. So if you come in close, so take this thing up and measure through this. So you see it's green. If this thing yellow, then you have to be prepared yourself to change your tire. When you get red, that's a danger zone. So I'm showing again. See, it's green. So now I'm going to show you my tire, what I'm driving now. See, green, then yellow, and then red. So I have to change the tire now as soon as possible. So now you know how to measure your tire. Now I'm going to talk about how to get those tires. I'm going to give you some solid information that this tire is very hard to find, because not everybody makes EV tire, and this tire expensive. If you go to Tesla showroom, probably they will charge you $2,000 for 4 tires plus installation and other expenses. So I was looking for this tire in a different website. Goodyear makes this tire, Michelin makes this tire, and also the matter is it's very hard to find. So I was looking americantires.com, I was looking amazon.com, I was looking Firestone, everywhere. They don't have it. So finally I called Goodyear. They told me you can get this tire from TireRack.com. So I went TireRack.com and I got it with a good price. By the way, I went to Costco. They have Michelin tire, and those tires are pretty good. They have all the coverage. You can also check it out. Costco has a good offer too, but they charge you around $1,400 to $1,500. And one thing you must need to know, that there are 2 kinds of Tesla tire. One has a foam inside, like this one doesn't have a foam, but the one I'm using right now has a foam. The foam control your outside noise. So those tires are expensive. So around $400 those tires. This tire is the same tire but doesn't have a foam inside. So I'm gonna give it a try, see how it goes, and I will make you another video so you will learn from here. So this tire I bought from TireRack.com, and you can see this is Goodyear 255 40R20, my tire size. 4 tire I bought, they charged me $1,100 some, and the installation also I have to pay. So hopefully I get a good result with this tire. Keep watching my video. I will let you know how I'm enjoying this tire. I was saying beginning that not everybody knows how to install Tesla tire, but there are some places you can go. But before you go, you must have to have this tire jack, because not everybody has proper jack, so that might will destroy your battery. So you might make sure you have those 4 tire jack. I always have this whenever I have issue my tire. If I have to do tire rotation or take out the nails, I always use this tire jack. So today I'm going to Firestone and I call them. They say, yeah, if you bring your tire jack, we can change your tire and it shouldn't be any problem. So I am going in a Firestone right now. So I bought this tire myself from TireRack.com, and I have my tire jack, and I'm going to install these 4 tires from Firestone. So before I go to Firestone, I have very important information to share with you. So let's share with that. So now we all need to know how to drive EV car. You might be surprised what I'm talking about. Yes, our driving style can save this tire. You can drive more mileage, and that was my mistake. The first thing is your car setting. So if you take a look in here, Tesla pedal and steering, you see this is standard, this is chill, comfort, standard. If you put sports and you try to accelerate your car, your tire will die within 1 year. I drove 1.5 years. Many of my friends, their tire are gone within 1 year because their driving habit. So make sure you have good settings. I prefer acceleration with chill, and stopping mode I like to have grip. The other thing, you must have to check your tire pressure. It will burn more charging and it will destroy your tire. Take a look. Right now has a different pressure, and that one is really bad because I'm going to change my tire, so I don't care today. That's very important to check your tire pressure. Number 3, I will talk about tire rotation. Many people don't care. So Tesla recommend you rotate your tire in every 10,000 miles, and I think that's the best way to go. We should rotate our tire in every 10,000 miles. The other thing I have, make sure we buy EV tires, because EV tires are made especially for EV cars, and it will give you more mileage because electric vehicles are heavy and it has super acceleration power. You can go 1 mile within 4 seconds. That's very fast, so we have to be careful. So the last advice is don't accelerate if you want to save your tire. But if you don't care, you can go for it, because Tesla made a sports car, and that's maybe not for me, for some other people. So I thought I gave you enough information about my Tesla tire experience. So hopefully you like it, and if you think I provided enough information, please give me a thumbs up and share this video, and I will share how I am doing with the new tire, and you can learn from my mistake. Thank you very much for watching. See you in another video.